boy. I love you. You're the best and you're so sweet. And this is for you.
How about kiss on the lips? I love you.
You went to my nose.
So, ito yung iniyakan niya. It's gonna be his new hobby daw.
Hobby daw? What's a hobby?
What is a hobby?
What's a hobby? A hobby is something that you like doing.
Alright, so you know now?
Yes.
Alright, and what do you call this car, by the way? It's called the?
Koala car.
No, here, read it. The?
Gem.
No, that's T. Yeah.
Yeah. Ah.
Yeah, Tamiya.
Tamiya.
Yeah.
Tamiya.
Yes, it's the Mini. Ooh, so this is what JB's gonna build.
Can
Show
I-
them what's inside first.
Tada!
And this one.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Tada!
Put it here. And what else?
Look at this.
And
Tadon. It's the wheels
yeah,
and the tires. Tadon.
tires too.
Tadon.
And
We have a koala.
your
Koala.
koala.
That's my character.
Yeah.
I want to open it.
Ooh, so cool.
I can open my driver.
So,
Okay.
quick backstory while we're setting up his very first Tamiya. On Monday, since suspended ang classes niya, I've decided to surprise him kasi nasa sad daw siya. He was excited to go to school. I had an idea and I told him na dadalhin ko siya sa isang cafe dito lang malapit sa amin, and his face suddenly glowed up with a big smile. Kinilig pa nga tas napatalan sa tawa. I was excited to bring him there too kasi in this cafe merong kids play area. I was thinking pa na perfect timing kasi ang dami kong tatapusin na work. Makakapag-concentrate ako while he's having fun and enjoying his time. Anyways, after lunch, nag-prep na kami. I checked online in this cafe. It was open. Sabi ni Google, operational naman kahit may bagyo. Tumawag na ako ng trike. Nagpahatid kami doon. Sadly, when we got there, it was closed. Nung nakita ko yung face niya, natiteary-eye siya. Parang gusto niya umiyak. Alam mo yung itsura ng face na super na-disappoint. Kasi nag-expect talaga siya. Meron pa akong linya sa kanya na this cafe will make you go crazy in a good way though. Kaya lalo siyang na-excite tapos sarado pala. Anyways, habang nasa try kami and thinking of my next move para mabalik yung mood niya, in-explain ko kaagad sa kanya na we're going back there some other day kapag open na. And that cafe will not go anywhere. Nakatulala lang siya at hindi alam ire-react niya. So, nagtanong ako kay kuya na baka may malapit na pasyalan or something. He suggested Wilcon, makakaikot-ikot daw kami dun. So, pinadiretso ko na. Natuwa naman kasi hindi kami umuwi agad. Sabi pa niya sa akin, "Mama, this was a great idea," nung nakita niya yung parang mini mall, and I got his jolly mood back. Yun, ito na, while I was inquiring about the taekwondo classes, may narinig siya sa kabilang side na maingay. Kausap ko yung coach, hila ng hila sa akin to check it out nga daw. So I told him that he can check it out on his own muna as long as I can see him. Bumalik siya after 5 minutes. Sabi niya, "Mama, after we're done here, can we go back there? I want to show you something cool." And so we did. It was a Tamiya racetrack pala. There were teenagers playing. Yun pala yung maingay. Sabi niya sa akin, "Mama, can we check out the cars inside?" So, pasok kami. Kahit naman ako natuwa kasi I used to play RC back in Dubai. He was so amazed as in kasi mahilig kasi siya sa cars. Mahilig magkalikot and nakita niya yung mga ibang teens na bumubuo ng cars. Meron pang isang girl doon, pinahawak sa kanya yung car niya while it was on, and pinakita pa na merong cars na may kasamang characters. Eto na, ma'ams, yumakap sa akin sa legs ko. Sabi niya, "Mama, these cars are so amazing. Can I please have one?" I was giving him the no face, tapos nagpapakyut, "Mama, pretty please, I will not buy any more toys. Pretty please, Mimi." Ganyan siya lagi kapag merong gustong-gusto. Siyempre, sabi ko, not today kasi wala naman sa budget at hindi mura ha. These kinds of toys are a little pricey. I explained to him how it's played, hindi pwede sa bahay, kailangan sa tracks lang. Tapos sabi ko, very expensive ang tracks, so we can't buy the tracks. If I buy him the car, he can't use it sa bahay. So on and so forth. Halos 2 hours kami nasa hobby shop. Nakikipag-bargain siya. Kasama na doon yung pakikipag-friends niya sa mga naglalaro at pagtingin-tingin. Pinilit niya pa din ako. Hindi ako makapag-monster mom kasi ang daming tao. Sabi ko, sige ganito na lang. It's almost Christmas naman na. We can put it in your wish list and if you're good, maybe Santa will give it to you as a gift. But mama, please, Mimi. Puro siya ganon. And since he was asking nicely naman, and hindi niya ako dinaan sa pagwawine and tantrums, tinanong ko si ate girl sa counter kung meron ba silang item na mura lang, as in yung cheapest car nila. Tinuro niya kami dun sa pinaka-end na corner ng shop. Meron silang isang section dun mahahanap yung cheapest cars. Ranging from 500 to 900. Kasi ba naman yung unang niya napili pang collector's item na daw yun worth 3,000. Hello! My God, mamumulubi ako. Ending, super happy naman ang butchoy ko. And super happy din ako because the smile and kilig and the joy that he's feeling is priceless. At kahit nakaka-frustrate siya i-build, nakakatuwa din. Kasi parang naging bonding na namin. Tapos, after it's done, para siyang fulfillment. Practice na din to for following instructions and being patient. Diba, nakita nyo naman, sobrang tagal namin siyang binuo. Ayan na, nakangiti na kami kasi we're almost done. That's it for today.
Oh, what happened? It's okay. Oh, there. Shala, we did it. Show. We did it, bro. Okay, now test it. What can you say about your very first Tamiya?
It's amazing.
You like it?
Yeah.
So, how was the experience building it
Look at my
together?
cheeks.
So cute. How's the experience building it together? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Even though it's kind of frustrating?
Yeah.
I know, right?
So,
And nakakagutom siya, guys. So, are we ready to eat?
yeah.
Huh? Let's have dinner? Let's have dinner muna. So cool! JB and Mama did it!
Look at this.
I know.
And
You're a koala racer. Next time, you will see JB playing in the trash.